Good. Back to technical morning, folks. Sorry for the diversions. It gets frustrating out there in the real world. So, a friend asked if these predictive models, these huge software entity things, can be used to change, public opinion, public and tested. And the answer is absolutely yes. Um, I didn't answer it very well when it was first posed, but yes, crowd control, like the timing on those traffic lights. There's enough sophistication in marketing and advertising and television now to put shit in your face to sway your opinion. Period. End. It's called a commercial. Makes you want to go buy that next best spice to put on your meat to cook it. So these things, and they are tried and true. They do work. Mass media can put enough stuff in your face, and by your I mean ours, we, me, the mouse in my pocket, that you can't miss. You can't miss the drug commercials and whatever other subtle nonsense goes on. You have to watch the first whatever seconds anyway. Or you have to watch the whole 3 minutes of commercials in between the boob tubes. So this stuff gets out. This is what Cambridge Analytica was doing, trying to predict, and you can predict. If you can get an idea in front of enough people's faces, an idea that the orange buffoon in the president's office is a man of any type of honor that should be respected. No, it's how he is enabled, and the people enabling this are masters at their craft. See, by using the extremes of faith, the rest of faith is helpless to speak against it. It's in their nature to tolerate. And yet 80% of America is going, what the fuck is going on? 80% of America is going, God, I need my retirement. I need my health care. Why is it so hard? What keeps getting in the way of common sense? So these things, they just keep getting beaten into. And if you like personalities, if you love the sports heroes, if you love the whatever sports it is, the yachting races, the motocross races, if you pick a name out and follow that, and you can be sucked into these nuances of the advertisement with his face. Must be good stuff. So yes, these analytic models, what really impressed me, I mentioned before, watching how COVID-19 identified in November of 2019 and pretty much offered up to the people that know what the hell that means to react to. November 19th, 2019. Not January, not February, not Trumpuary. This is, we know. We understand. We don't want to say anything. So Cambridge Analytica introduced the fallacy of Europe. Europe is the foundation. All those nation states over there, whatever you want to call them, is the foundation of American law, American jurisprudence. The idea of a secular nation, because so many of these things are so wrong, right? So this big data is being used against us. I'm going back and trying to build an analysis model for a spectrum analyzer using applied math. And to even imagine those tools, you have to know they exist. And to use those tools, you have to have license to packages, or you have to be able to write code that is not easy. So They have us cornered. It's a shame. Quit admiring wealth. Fucking heroes. Enjoy good music, though. Sorry. Not sorry. Peace out. Have a burrito.